If you've lost access to your Zelle account due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access and secure your account. Step 1. Contact your bank or credit union. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Verify your identity. Be prepared to verify your identity. This may involve answering security questions, providing personal information, or confirming recent transactions. This step is crucial for ensuring that you are the rightful account holder. Step 3. Review account activity. Once you regain access, review your recent account activity for any unauthorized transactions. Make note of any suspicious activities to report to your bank and Zelle. Step 4. Change your password. Change your online banking password and any associated security questions. This step helps secure your account against further unauthorized access. Ensure your new password is strong and unique. Step 5. Enable additional security features. Ask your bank about additional security features such as two-factor authentication or transaction alerts. Enabling these features can help protect your account from future suspicious activities. By following these steps, you can regain access to your Zelle account and enhance its security. Always stay vigilant and monitor your account regularly for any unusual activity.